Hello, we're Andy and Bev from almostoffgrid.com, and today we're going to show you how to make Irish whiskey, or as Still Spirits would call it, Shamrock whiskey, at home using nothing more than one of those little bottles and some shop bought vodka. So what I have here is a 750ml flip top bottle. The instructions on the flavouring talk about making 2.25 litres, but as you can see, the bottle has measurements down the side to just make 750ml at a time, which is what I'm going to do today.
And if you're wondering why on earth would you only want to make a small amount like this, I don't like whiskey. This is Bev, by the way. I don't like whiskey at all, but I love Irish cream, and I make Irish cream. In fact, I'm going to make that next with this Irish whiskey, or this vodka flavoured as Irish whiskey. I don't want to go out and buy a bottle of Irish whiskey, but I do want a cup of Irish whiskey to be able to make my Irish cream.
So now I'm going to add the vodka to the bottle. Up to the top will give me 750ml. You've got to go a bit slow so that it doesn't run over the edge. And this is probably going to be the shortest video we ever made. And you'll see why in a second, because this is very, very straightforward. Now I take, sorry.
That's the vodka, sorry.
Yeah, that's the vodka now in the bottle. And now I'm going to add, I'll find that later. Bring it under so you can see.
How much are we adding?
1/3 of this bottle.
Okay.
Pop the top on.
Shake it, baby.
And just keep shaking it. And as Eddie Izzard would say, et voila. There you have it. That simple.
Now, if you're an Irish whiskey connoisseur who buys very expensive Irish whiskey, I don't know how this compares with that. My guess is it possibly isn't as good. However, I wouldn't use super posh expensive Irish whiskey to make Irish cream either, because once it's mixed up with all the other things, I would defy anyone to identify it as posh Irish whiskey. So this is a perfect solution if you want to make your homemade Irish cream, and I'm about to make that, so probably the next video after this one on this channel will be homemade Irish cream. If you like what we do,
like and subscribe.
Like this video please share it, please help us to grow on YouTube, and visit our website almostoffgrid.com for more hints, tips, recipes and stuff like this.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.